Voyager 1's greatest discovery, mysterious objects in deep space, launched over 4 decades ago, the Voyager 1 spacecraft continues to astonish the scientific world. Originally designed for just a 5-year mission to study the outer planets, Voyager 1 has vastly outlived expectations, becoming the farthest-traveled object ever built by humans. Now, long past the edge of our solar system, Voyager 1 has sent back one of its most perplexing findings yet. Over 300 unidentified phenomena drifting through the vastness of interstellar space. These strange objects are believed to be plasma remnants, the leftover signatures of massive stellar explosions that happened millions of years ago. But how did this aging spacecraft, floating in the freezing silence of deep space, detect such cosmic anomalies? Beyond the solar system, Voyager 1 made history in August 2012 when it officially crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the solar wind from our Sun gives way to the surrounding interstellar medium. Reaching this point wasn't easy. As Voyager ventured farther from the Sun, its power source gradually weakened. The spacecraft runs on radioisotope thermoelectric generators, devices that convert heat from decaying plutonium-238 into electricity. Over time, that heat, and therefore the power, diminishes, forcing engineers to power down non-essential systems. Every watt counts now. Despite its limited energy, Voyager 1 continues to deliver valuable data. But communication isn't simple. At its current distance, it takes over 21 hours for signals to travel one way. The spacecraft's transmissions must be carefully timed, precisely directed, and strong enough to cut through interference from cosmic radiation and background noise. A strange signal from deep space recently. While operating under these difficult conditions, Voyager 1 made a stunning discovery, a cluster of over 300 unexplained objects moving through interstellar space. What are they? At first, the incoming data appeared corrupted or distorted, unlike anything previously received. Even more puzzling, these signals arrived in an encrypted or irregular format, raising the question, was the problem with the data or with Voyager itself? Engineers and scientists at NASA sprang into action. Initial fears centered around possible malfunctions, but oddly, Voyager 1 showed no technical failures. The signal remained stable. The communication system functioned. None of the protective subsystems were triggered. So, if it wasn't a hardware issue, what was it? An investigation across time. NASA's mission team began an in-depth evaluation. They examined Voyager's communication systems, tested theories about cosmic ray interference, reviewed thermal fluctuations, and even explored the possibility of subtle changes in the probe's orientation. The investigation took weeks. Eventually, the cause was found. The spacecraft's Attitude and Articulation Control System, AACS, had unknowingly switched to a backup computer, a system that hadn't been used in years. This old computer wasn't capable of properly formatting telemetry data, which led to garbled transmissions. Fortunately, engineers devised a solution. They sent new instructions to direct the AACS to resume using the correct system. But this process was slow. Each command took nearly a full day to send and receive due to the vast distance. To make matters even more complex, engineers had to dig into 1970s-era technical documents to understand how to fix the system. After carefully crafting and transmitting their commands, the issue was resolved, and Voyager 1. So, what are these 300 objects? Once the data stream from Voyager 1 was re-established, all attention returned to the most mystifying revelation: the detection of 300 unknown entities traveling silently through the vast emptiness of interstellar space. What are these objects? Are they relics from cosmic events long past? Or are they clues to galactic processes we've only begun to understand? After extensive analysis, scientists now believe these anomalies are likely plasma clouds, highly energized remnants left behind by supernovae, the colossal explosions that mark the death of massive stars. These clouds are not merely space debris, they are the chemical fingerprints of the universe's most violent and creative processes. As these clouds drift across the galaxy, they carry with them elements forged in the hearts of dying stars: carbon, oxygen, iron, and other building blocks of planets, atmospheres, oceans, and life itself. These plasma structures offer a rare opportunity to observe how matter is recycled across the cosmos, how stars collapse, explode, and seed the universe with the ingredients for new stars, planets, and potentially life-bearing worlds. Through studying their density, composition, motion, and interaction with interstellar magnetic fields, scientists hope to uncover deeper truths about the evolution of our galaxy. These drifting clouds are like pages torn from an ancient cosmic manuscript, each one whispering secrets from a time before Earth even formed. And through all of it, Voyager 1 remains our scribe, faithfully transmitting each page back to us, one signal at a time. A silent messenger from Earth, but Voyager 1 is more than just a scientific tool. It is also a cultural ambassador, a silent messenger bearing a symbol of who we are. Affixed to the spacecraft is the Golden Record, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc containing a curated selection of humanity's sounds, images, and music. Designed under the direction of astronomer Carl Sagan, the record was created with one dream in mind: to communicate our existence to the cosmos. On it are greetings spoken in 55 languages, from ancient Sumerian to modern Mandarin. It holds the music of Bach and Beethoven, the rhythms of global cultures, and even rock and roll by Chuck Berry. It features recordings of thunder, laughter, footsteps, ocean surf, and a mother's heartbeat, a symphony of Earth's soul compressed into a single artifact. Accompanying it are 116 photographs and diagrams, showing landscapes, human anatomy, DNA, mathematical concepts, and daily life. It is both a time capsule and an invitation. If another civilization were ever to find Voyager, the Golden Record would speak on our behalf. Not just as scientists, but as sentient beings, curious, emotional, and hopeful. In the infinite silence between stars, this disk carries the echoes of our world, whispering, "We were here." Voyager's future. The final years. Voyager 1's mission is nearing its twilight. Its power supply, driven by the slow decay of plutonium, is gradually fading. Each year, more of its instruments are powered down to conserve energy. By 2030, most of its scientific tools are expected to go dark. One by one, sensors will stop transmitting, memories will freeze, and its voice will grow faint. But even then, Voyager 1 will continue its journey, silent, intact, and unstoppable. It will drift on, undeterred by time, solar winds, or cosmic radiation. No longer sending data, but still carrying our message, still venturing deeper into the galactic sea. In a few thousand years, it may pass another star. In millions, it may enter a new region of the galaxy. Whether or not it is ever found, it will remain a testament to humanity's desire to reach beyond the known, to touch the stars with ideas, questions, and dreams. Legacy of discovery. From its launch in 1977, Voyager 1 has achieved what no spacecraft before it ever could. It has flown past Jupiter and Saturn, revealing volcanic moons, stormy atmospheres, and planetary rings never before seen up close. It has crossed into interstellar space, becoming our first true explorer of the cosmic ocean. And now, even in its final years, it continues to contribute to science, revealing secrets about stellar remnants, magnetic fields, and interstellar plasma that reshape our models of the universe. But Voyager's greatest gift may not be scientific alone. It reminds us that exploration is not about certainty, but about courage. About reaching out, knowing we may not receive a reply. It tells us that even old tools can make new discoveries. That something built in the analog age of cassettes and rotary phones can outlive all predictions and still teach us something profound. It invites each of us to ask, what is our place in the cosmos? What legacy will we leave behind? As Voyager 1 presses onward into the unknown, it carries with it a simple, powerful truth. Discovery is eternal. So when you look up at the night sky, remember this. Somewhere, billions of kilometers away, a tiny machine is still flying, still listening, still carrying our story.